Tower, Twin Cessna 600 Hotel Bravo is ready for takeoff. 26 left Alpha.
Twin Cessna 600 Hotel Bravo, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, intersection Alpha 2, clear for takeoff, left drop top group.
Takeoff on course, 26 left Alpha 2, 69 Hotel Bravo.
Gateway 432, turn left heading 210, runway 26 left, full length for takeoff. Contact St. Louis, Spark, have a good day.
Spirit Tower, Upjet 892 is with you, ready to slow shorter.
Day 92, Spirit Tower. Day 92, Spirit Tower, turn left heading 210, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Left turn 210 after takeoff, clear for takeoff, runway 26 left up to 2,500, Upjet 892.
Upsetting I-2, contact St. Louis, Spark, have a good day.
Sure, Upjet 892, good day.
Charter Track 690 on the ILS 26 left, inbound, full stop to Aero Charter, Clear Track 690.
Track 690, Spirit Tower, House, Spirit, back, correction. Runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 1904.
6 left, clear to land, Clear Track 690.
Right turn, Alpha 8, in Air Charter with me. Have a good day.
Turning to Alpha 8 Aero Charter with you, Cruise Track 690. Good day.
334 is inbound for the visual 26 left. Jet 334, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land over 2. 2 left, clear to land over 2, Spirit Jet 334. 34, right turn when able, taxi, signature V Alpha with me, have a good day.
Repeat that again, Spring 334, sorry.
334, right turn when able, taxi, signature ramp V Alpha with me, have a good day.
Right turn with you, Alpha, signature good day, Spirit 334.
124 Golf Delta, Spirit Tower, you ready?
Our Falcon 124 Golf Delta will be ready upon reaching 26 left.
124 Golf Delta, fly runway heading runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, 26 left, 4 Golf Delta.
Contact me, Mr. Departure, have a good day.
Departure 4 Golf Delta, have a good day.
Com 535, Spirit Tower, you ready?
Ready to go, .com 535.
535, fly runway heading runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Be clear for takeoff, 26 left, .com 535.
Contact Payless Departure, have a good day.
Richard.com 535, good day.
Fly runway heading runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading, clear for takeoff on 26 left, Jets B163.
Contact Payless Departure, have a good day.
Control stage Jets B163.
350, you ready? Yeah. Jet 350, fly runway heading runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, Spirit Jet 350.
Those departure, have a good day.
Yeah, you too, Spirit Jet 350.
Skyline 182 Whiskey Kilo, Spirit Tower. Make sure to runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 2407. Whiskey Kilo, thank you. Whiskey Kilo, affirmative, taxi to parking via Alpha 5 with me.
Park straight ahead via Alpha 5 with you to Whiskey Kilo.
Spirit Tower, career track 102, holding short 26 left, Alpha 2, ready for departure.
Spirit 102, Spirit Tower. Proceed on course, runway 26 left, intersection Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left on course, career track 102.
Visual 26 left.
Alpha 35, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 2108.
And 26 left, .com 535.
.com 535, we'll check your gears you go.
Or .com 535.
535, Spirit Tower.
We're troubleshooting a nose wheel steering issue, so there is a possibility that we won't be able to taxi clear, but we're going to give it an effort.
535, Roger. Do you want us to have fire personnel standing by?
Negative. No, there's just a chance our nose wheel steering won't allow us to turn that sharp off the runway, so just giving you a heads up.
Roger, we'll give you plenty of time.